It's been really fun, honestly. When I was in the NBA, I didn't get to play a whole lot, so part of the reason why I came over here is I just wanted to play and I wanted to win, and those two things came true when I signed with the club. So I'm really excited to go forward. Yeah, one of my best attributes that I bring is just I'm a good teammate, a good locker room guy, I get along with anyone. I'm very curious, so I'm always asking a lot of questions. The guys probably get a little annoyed with me, but everyone's great. Gotten really close with everyone already, so it's been great. On the court, Powell's always pulling me aside and giving me tips, and he told me he's going to teach me all his tricks, so that's exciting. But off the court, the young guys, because I live with them or close to them, and Henry, obviously, he's been overseas before, so it's my first go around, and they've all helped in different ways. Yeah. My son will be 1 in a week, so it's been a pretty smooth transition actually. I've been here before, so not Barcelona, but Barcelona and Madrid, Valencia. So I've been to Spain and got a little taste of the culture, so it wasn't a huge shock. But it's been great. I love my little area. I go to Leo Pico every day, yeah, we just love it. I just want to win. If that means I score 19 one night, great. If it means I score 0, that's awesome too. I just want to play and win, and I hope to do that here. Yeah, for sure. The Miami Heat gave me a great opportunity when I signed there, and I got to play a lot when I first got there, which was a great experience for me, and I thought I played really well. And the G League's great too, where I always played big minutes in the G League. But whenever I was in the NBA, for some reason, just never quite got the full opportunity I was looking for. I thought that it was going to be with Miami, and it was going really well at the beginning, but it didn't work out. So just excited to get back to my roots, like Virginia, like you said. Yeah, it's more like college, university. It's very similar to UVA fan base, just really active on Twitter and on social media, and when even if it's not completely sold out, they're loud and you hear them, and they travel well. So it was great. Yeah, I'd love to see even more people here. I want to see this thing packed. This has a lot of meaning for the city of Barcelona and for me as being from USA with the Dream Team winning in this gym '92. So I want to see it packed just like that. Yeah, I'm still getting used to the rules. Some stuff is different and takes some getting used to. The practices are harder here, definitely more physical. But we compete, and I love to compete, and we play a lot. It's not just like drills; it's mostly playing, so that's been fun. I thought about going to a lot of places, and some were EuroLeague, some weren't. But I just felt when I went to UVA, they were good, but they hadn't been to a Final Four or won a championship. They had been to a Final Four like 40 years ago, and so I went there to do something they'd never done before. And so what I want to do here is the same thing, bring them back to the top of, they were top of EuroCup, but the tournament too, top of ACB, and try to win both. So that was part of the motivation why I came here. No, before I got here, actually, I knew nothing. I didn't even know where it was. Before I signed, I knew where it was, but when I first heard of it, I didn't know. And then they started telling me about it, and I did my own research, and the history of Penya. It felt like a place I would thrive at.